Here's how to add Instagram highlights from your camera roll. So first you have to open up your Instagram and go to your profile. You might notice that there's no direct option to add highlights from your camera roll, but don't worry, there's a simple workaround. Just go back and open your story, and from here select the photo or video from your camera roll that you just want to add. Now share it to your story first. Don't worry, it won't stay visible later. Next, go to your profile and you just have to wait a few seconds and tap on new highlight. Now choose the story you just want to upload it. Just tap next and give it a title. Then add it to your highlights. Once the highlight is added, just go back to your story. Now tap more and select archive from here. Now the story is removed from your story, but it will still stay in your highlights. And that's the only real way to add Instagram highlights from your camera roll. I hope this guide helped you a lot. Thanks for watching.